Today we can see the entire process of saffron flower cultivation. Saffron is a species of flower of Quercus sativus who was founded in the Crete island, Greece and Iran. It is popularly known as the saffron quercus. It is seen that the saffron cultivation started before 3500 years ago by the people of Mesopotamia civilization in the country Greece, which is very old civilization in the world. According to the changes of cultures and traditions, it spreads in different regions like Morocco, Iran and India. But saffron was first cultivated in the Crete island in the Greece. Then it extends into the southwest Mediterranean climates like Kashmir, and then in the northeast to the China and also to the different parts of the world. What are the advantages of the saffron? The saffron is mainly used as seasoning, perfume, medicines and making color of some food items. It is seen that the saffron is used in some food and curry items like meat dishes, chicken dishes, soup, honey, saffron tea, and it is dressed with plums and almonds like the thin cover on the flowers. It also uses in turmeric powder, saffron cake, saffron milk, and saffron has a lots of ways that uses in variety of food items in Europe, Central Asia, Arab, and also in some places of America. Saffron uses as medicine. It has a different roles in different locations, impacting as health benefits. It contains powerful antioxidants, improve mood, and it removes depression. It reduces cancer cells. It has a great role in weight loss. It reduces appetite. It prevents nerve disorder. It increases sex power and sexual function in the body. It also reduces heart diseases, do low blood sugar levels, improve eyesight in the old age, and improve the memory power. Disadvantages of saffron. The large amount of saffron by mouth is highly unsafe. Intake doses more than 5 grams by mouth can cause poisoning, and doses of 12 to 20 grams can cause death. So you can imagine how the saffron is valuable and why its price is very high in the world. Next, the plantation season in the year. First of all, I will tell saffron is suitable to grow below 35 degrees Celsius temperature in summer and about -15 to -20 degrees Celsius in the winter. Its plantation should be started in the month of June and July in the year below 35 degree temperature. At some places it is also started in August and September. Saffron flowers come in the month of October. Until end of the winter month, its flowers should come. Let's start what is the first process of saffron cultivation. Before you start cultivation, you should focus on suitable climates, well cultivated land and water. If you have land or climate problem, you can do greenhouse farming and home garden, or you can do it hydroponically in your home. Let's start about land farming. First of all, you should collect the saffron seeds. There are so many types of seeds are available in the world. The best quality of saffron seeds are Kashmir seeds and Persian seeds. Next, spacing. Saffron balls plantation hole deep into the soil will be 3 inches to 5 inches. In India, spacing between plant to plant is 7.5 to 10 cm and row to row 15 to 20 cm. In Spain, the space between plant to plant 6 cm and one row to another row 3 cm. Next, the soil for the saffron. The soil should be well drained and gravelly, loamy and sandy soil for saffron cultivation. The soil should be mostly organic and decomposed soil. It needs falling sunlight 6 hours in a day. Test pH level of the soil. Its pH level should be 6 to 8 in the soil. Next, water requirement. It needs less water. It should not be completely dry. The water sprinkle should be done once in a week or 2 times in a week. Do not water more on its bulb, not to be damp or rot. Take away weight from the soil as well. Choose the type of saffron balls as per your budget. Next, I will show you the investment of first time 3-year plantation of 5,381 square foot land over here. It is already estimated by Spain and Italy farmers of bulb size 8x9 of 40,000 bulbs. The total investment in plantation of 5,381 square foot land 3 lakh INR rupees You can see the first year, second year and third year plantation over here. So dear guys, I will tell you one thing. First time you will invest more by purchasing more balls. You will collect lots of balls at the end of the third year, which is the high value. Here you can see the total investment of first 3-year plantation and the net profit of the 3-year plantations. You can observe over here, I have already mentioned. Then at the end of the third year, you will feel free and will start the second time 3-year plantation without having more investment on saffron balls. But at the second time 3-year plantation, you will only invest on irrigation, labor and fertilizers. You do not need to invest on purchasing saffron balls. It means you earn huge profit guys. The profit and profit. So dear guys, there are so many companies that you can contact them through online to sell your saffron yields and balls. So you can grow your earning as per your investment and land. I hope you got some related information regarding this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for getting my upcoming videos. I needed one like and one comment below. Thank you for watching.